It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening Negi soldiers. How are you? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome all of you to your own YouTube channel Unacademy Gate MEPIX YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing well. Type in chat box, re baba, how are you? So for those who are coming first time to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Devendra Singh Negi. Mechanical Head Unacademy branch, Gate All India Rank 1, 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper, All India Rank 1, Banknote Paper Mill, MTech IIT Bombay, and I'm teaching for GATE and ESE since 8+ years till now. I have mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. Beta, आज की class wonderful class होने वाली है. Today's class will be the beautiful class because I'm going to discuss one of the most difficult concept of thermodynamics. इंटरनली एंड एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. तो आज बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा क्लास. आज की क्लास बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है. काइंडली शेयर द लिंक विद योर फ्रेंड्स. काइंडली शेयर द लिंक विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, so my friend, this is my profile on Unacademy platform. I'm Unacademy verified rank 8th educator in GATE and ESE category, having more than 1 crore watch minutes, and having more than 3,000 dedications on Unacademy platform. What is the meaning of dedications? When students are watching the classes, they will be getting the knowledge heads. Now once they are getting the knowledge heads, they can dedicate the knowledge heads to their favorite educator, to the educator who are inspiring them to study and all, to the educator to whom they feel like they are getting connected. So I'm very fortunate. I'm the only technical educator in GATE and ESE category to have more than 3,000 dedications. So I really thank all of my students who have dedicated me the knowledge heads. Now beta, if you haven't followed me on Unacademy Learning App, अगर आपने अभी तक मुझे Unacademy Learning App पे follow नहीं किया है, then follow me as soon as possible because in the month of December I have brought number of free initiatives on Unacademy Learning App. Sir, Unacademy Learning App पर fee pay करनी पड़ेगी क्या? No बेटा. Listen carefully. Most of the students are having this misconcept that free classes are available only on YouTube. No beta. On the Unacademy platform, there is a segment called Unacademy Free Special Classes where you will be getting the free classes, video classes, free special classes you are going to get. So I have taken 3 free initiatives. Most expected question series on fluid mechanics, PYQ XCB series on fluid mechanics, PYQ XCE series on thermodynamics. तो बेटा ये 3 फ्री इनिशिएटिव चल रहे हैं अभी. कुछ क्लासेस हो गई हैं, कुछ क्लासेस बाकी हैं. नेगी 10 टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन करो, सारे लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे बेटा. डोंट मिस ऑल दीज फ्री क्लासेस. नाउ this is one of the class which we are going to have tomorrow. Tomorrow means day after tomorrow. On 17th of December you will be having this class, most expected questions of fluid dynamics. And beta, the most important thing is here I am discussing MSQs, the beautiful MSQs I am discussing in this series. On 17th of December, Thursday, 10:15 PM, we are going to meet. You can scan this QR code to get the link, or you will be getting on Negi 10 Telegram channel. Now, beta, one more thing. There are number of free initiatives from the Unacademy side also. One such free initiative is Unacademy Combat for GATE. I am telling you, my friends, please listen carefully. India's largest fortnightly competition for GATE. Here, the questions has been framed by the best, the top educators of the GATE and ESC category. You will be having the live quiz and you will be competing with the best of the best. And on the same day, immediately after the quiz, you will be getting the video solutions also. And let us suppose you are getting good rank in Unacademy Combat GATE, you will be winning some prizes also. Yes, the first ranker will be winning the Apple MacBook Air. The second ranker will be winning Apple iPad Mini. The third ranker is going to win Apple AirPod. And of course, the rank 4 to rank 100 will be getting the ₹1000 Amazon gift vouchers. So, बेहतरीन है. Those who haven't enrolled till now for Unacademy Combat for GATE, immediately install Unacademy Learning app. Immediately आप लोग क्या करेंगे बेटा? You are going to install Unacademy Learning app and you will be using the invite code NEGI10. NEGI10 invite code use करेंगे बेटा. This is the link with the help of which you can join for the Unacademy Combat. Tomorrow we are not having any class. I will be present for Unacademy Combat on 16th. On 16th of December, 6 PM, we are having Unacademy Combat. I will be present, Negi sir will be present in Unacademy Combat and I want Negi soldiers to be present for Unacademy Combat. तो जिन्होंने अभी तक enroll नहीं किया है, those who haven't enrolled till now, enroll quickly, install Unacademy Learning app, use the invite code NEGI10 and come on, let us fight together. Yes, now, जिन लोगों ने अभी तक Unacademy Learning app install नहीं किया है, बेटा, I'm telling you, there are number of free initiatives going on Unacademy platform. As I told you, you will be having the Unacademy free classes. You will be having what? You will be having Unacademy Combat for GATE absolutely free. You will be having the Unacademy test series also running absolutely free. So immediately Unacademy Learning app install karenge, and in order to unlock your free plans, you will be using the invite code NEGI10. So look at here, beta. The moment you are installing the Unacademy Learning app, you will be getting two benefits. First thing, you will be unlocking the free plans. Second thing, most important thing, beta, you will be directly connecting to me once you are installing the Unacademy Learning app, and once you are following me, you will be able to send the message to me. The moment you are able to send the message to me, beta, आपको कोई भी doubt है, if you are having any doubt related to your preparation, related to Unacademy Plus subscription, related to Unacademy Iconic subscription, you can send me the message. You can, sir, what are the beautiful books of thermodynamics? Sir, what are the beautiful books of fluid mechanics? Sir, what are the beautiful books of manufacturing sciences which we should follow for getting the good rank? I will be guiding you. I will be personally mentoring you. Now, there are so many students who are feeling it little difficult to install the Unacademy Learning app, to follow me and to unlock the free plans. उनके लिए बेटा एक slide है, फटाफट से देख लेंगे. Please observe. You need to install the Unacademy Learning app. You need to put your mobile number and OTP. You need to go to the GATE and ESC category. You need to select the language. Then you need to click here. You need to search my name, Devendra Singh Negi. The moment you are searching my name, Devendra Singh Negi, my profile will come. Click over here. This is my profile beta. Click on this follow button. The moment you are clicking on follow button, you will be able to send me the message. Yes, now you can send me the message. Look, that follow button converted into message. Now from here, if you are clicking, you will be able to send me the message. First thing, now scroll upward. Click on my any free special class. Click on any free special class of mine or any educator, no problem. Enter an invite code to unlock your free plans. For Negi Soldier, there is only one invite code, NEGI10, NEGI10. The moment you are putting the NEGI10, click on unlock button. Now you can enjoy your free special classes, free plan. Now, let us start. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Shall we start? Shall we start? बोलिए बेटा, shall we start discussing? क्या पूछ रहा है? Oh my God, enter the invite code to unlock your PPT. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. What is the invite code to unlock the PPT? Bolo, 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 quickly, quickly, quickly. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Immediately, beta Pawan, it will be live. Results will come immediately. What is the code? What is the code? What is the code to unlock the PPT? Yes, yes, very good. Yes, yes. My friends, the code to unlock PPT is -10. Yes. हो गई रे बाबा unlock. Yes, 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 yes. Now my friends, आज की क्लास हिस्टोरिकल क्लास होने वाली है बेटा. आज की क्लास बहुत ही बेहतरीन क्लास होने वाली बेटा. Today we are going to discuss internally reversible process and externally reversible process. How many of you heard about this? कितनी ईमानदारी से बेटा, honestly, how many of you are aware of this? What is internally reversible process? What is externally reversible process? कितने लोगों को ये चीज पता है? Honestly लिखेंगे. जिनको नहीं पता है, put no sir, we don't know. Put sir, we don't know. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. सही है, सही है. Excellent. Now listen carefully. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. Internally reversible process. Now what is the meaning of internally reversible process? बेटा ध्यान से सुनना. Please observe carefully. Better let us suppose this air I am having one piston cylinder arrangement. Let us suppose I am having one piston cylinder arrangement. Let me say this piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some gas, some air. Now let us suppose this air is my system. I am having some piston cylinder arrangement. Let us suppose this piston cylinder arrangement is carrying some air. This air is my system. Then 100%. This dotted line is representing the boundary. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. Now listen carefully. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. What is the meaning of internally reversible process? If there is no irreversibility, within the boundary of the system, जो बाउंड्री है सिस्टम की, अगर उसके अंदर कोई irreversibility नहीं हो रही है, if there is no irreversibility within the boundary of the system, then we will be calling the process is internally reversible process. Now you will be asking me, sir, how will we come to know the process is internally reversible process? कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा? Remember, the characteristic of internally reversible process is that at each and every intermediate state, suppose I am having a closed system. For a closed system undergoing internally reversible process, at each and every intermediate state, the properties will be uniform throughout. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? In the last class we have discussed, if the properties are uniform throughout, what is the meaning of that? Process is quasi-static process. यानी कि what is the beauty of internally reversible process? At any quasi-static process can be internally reversible process, but there is one condition beta. Viscous losses should be zero. If I am having some fluid, if this fluid is undergoing expansion or compression, the viscous forces must be zero. Now listen carefully beta, ध्यान से सुनना क्या बोल रहा हूं. What I am saying, I am writing it for you people. Whatever the concept I have given you, I am writing. Look at here beta. Internally reversible process. So what is internally reversible process? Listen carefully beta. if there is no irreversibility, if there is no irreversibility विद इन द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सिस्टम, बेटा आज की क्लास बहुत हिस्टोरिक होने वाली है, विद इन द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सिस्टम, विद इन द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सिस्टम, then I will be calling the process as internally reversible process. Now listen carefully. Second point, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. For closed system, at every intermediate state of an internally reversible process, if I am having some closed system, at every intermediate state of an internally reversible process, all properties are uniform throughout, all intensive properties are uniform throughout. That is, closed system passes through series of equilibrium states. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, जो हमारा क्लोज सिस्टम है इट इज पासिंग थ्रू सीरीज ऑफ, तभी तो प्रॉपर्टीज यूनिफॉर्म होगी बेटा. At every intermediate state, if I want intensive properties to be uniform, that means 100% system is passing through series of equilibrium states. And if the system is passing through series of equilibrium states, 100% I am having a quasi-static process. So for closed system, any quasi-static process, please listen carefully, this is very important, neglecting viscous losses is an internally reversible process. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Rushikesh, irreversibility means beta losses. Losses. There is no loss within the boundary of the system. है ना? ठीक है, यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. बेटा now listen carefully. टाइप कर देंगे चैट बॉक्स में if you are clear with internally reversible process, which is easier part. If you are clear till here, then I will be moving to the difficult concept, which is external reversibility. Externally reversible process. Thank you so much नागराजन, वेरी गुड बेटा. चलो यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. कंफर्म कर दीजिए. आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? Come on, everyone, type in chat box. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Amardeep. Very good, very good, very good. कुल मिला के बेटा कहानी ये है, कुल मिला के yes, that's it, that's it. These are the Negi soldiers. Yes, Chirag, very good, very good, very good. But I am telling, listen carefully, listen carefully. If you want to have an internally reversible process, अगर आपको एक internally reversible process करना है, then at every intermediate state the intensive properties must be uniform. And if you want at every intermediate state intensive properties to be uniform, it must pass through series of equilibrium states. मतलब कि process क्या होना चाहिए, quasi static process होना चाहिए, which I discussed in the last class. For a closed system, any quasi static process in bracket neglecting viscous losses is an internally reversible process. Now the next, externally reversible process. अब बेटा यहां पर बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे, यहां पे बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. Today my class is up to, let us suppose 7:15 p.m. Let us suppose my class is up to 7:15 p.m. Champu Pritam Pyare is attending the class. Champu Pritam Pyare is attending the class, and he is from Vizag only, and he is located nearby to, let me say, beach. Okay. So he called to his friend, Negi sir's class will be over by 7:15 p.m. We will meet at 7:30 p.m. right sharp at beach. Keep some good arrangement. Keep some good arrangement. Arrange some chilled bottle. Arrange some chilled bottle. अब चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे फ्रेंड इज बेस्ट फ्रेंड, चड्डी बड्डी फ्रेंड. चंपू ने बोला, चंपू हैज डन द कैलकुलेशन. Negi sir's class will be over by 7:15 p.m. The distance is hardly 15 minutes. So by 7:30 p.m. I will be reaching. So he called his friend that arrange chilled bottle. अब ये chilled bottle किस चीज की हो सकता है आप समझ लो. It is up to you. It is up to you. Arrange some chilled bottle. प्रीतम प्यारे के फ्रेंड ने चिल्ड बॉटल अरेंज कर दी. प्रीतम प्यारे फ्रेंड अरेंज चिल्ड बॉटल एंड वो बीच पर पहुंच गया. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली टुडे नेगी सर क्लास इज गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड. क्लास एक्सटेंड हो गई बेटा, क्लास एक्सटेंड हो गई. It extended to 7:45 p.m. because Negi sir was discussing one beautiful concept of externally reversible process. So class got extended. Class extend हो गई. अब class is so interesting. प्रीतम प्यारे cannot, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे cannot leave in between. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे बीच में तो नहीं छोड़ के जा सकता. He cannot leave in between. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? देखना बेटा ध्यान से. दिस इज द चिल्ड बॉटल विच वॉज अरेंज्ड बाय चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे फ्रेंड. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. लेट मी से आउटसाइड एनवायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर वॉज 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस एट द बीच एंड द लेट मी से द कंटेंट ऑफ चिल्ड बॉटल वॉज एट 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एनीवन इन द क्लास? प्रीतम प्यारे का फ्रेंड तो बेटा 7:15 पर पहुंच गया था. प्रीतम प्यारे फ्रेंड रीच्ड बीच एट 7:15 p.m. नाउ इट इज 7:45 p.m. एंड प्रीतम प्यारे, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे विल बी रीचिंग द बीच एट 8 p.m. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? आउटसाइड एनवायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर, आउटसाइड सराउंडिंग टेम्परेचर इज मोर. Outside surrounding temperature is more and the content is at lesser temperature. Because of temperature difference, what is going to happen? Because of temperature difference, what is going to happen? Natural heat transfer will take place. Because of temperature difference, natural heat transfer will take place. From where to where? From where to where? Natural heat transfer will take place from where to where? From the surrounding to the content. I hope each and everyone is able to understand. बेटा एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस बता रहा हूं, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना. ये देखो, आउटसाइड एम्बिएंट was at 25 degree Celsius. Content was at 5 degree Celsius. Now of course there will be heat transfer. Of course there will be heat transfer. Heat transfer होगा. Let me say 100 joule of heat transfer has taken place, and because of this heat transfer, what will happen? Energy of the content will increase and temperature of the content will increase. So let me say content का temperature अभी 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो गया है ना. ठीक है, ठीक है, यहां तक समझ में आया बात आपको बेटे? यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? आई होप ईच एंड एवरी वन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? क्लास ओवर. Once the class is over, प्रीतम प्यारे called his friend. Are you there at the beach? प्रीतम प्यारे के दोस्त ने बोला हाँ, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. From last half an hour, I'm waiting for you. तो प्रीतम प्यारे ने बोला यार प्रॉब्लम हो गई, सर की क्लास थोड़ी लंबी खिंच गई. सर हैज टेकन लिटिल मोर टाइम. सो एक काम करता हूं, मैं आता हूं. बट देन प्रीतम प्यारे थॉट ओके यू आर सिटिंग एट द बीच सिंस लास्ट 30 मिनट्स, तो कंटेंट जो है वो तो अब गर्म हो गया होगा. नाउ द बॉटल विल नो मोर बी चिल्ड. तो उसने बोला यार ऐसे तो काम नहीं चलेगा. यू डू एनीथिंग, आई डोंट नो. यू डू समथिंग, आई वॉन्ट चिल्ड बॉटल ओनली. आई वॉन्ट चिल्ड बॉटल ओनली. आप कुछ भी करो, अपने दोस्त को बोलता है डू एनीथिंग, आई डोंट नो, बट अरेंज द चिल्ड बॉटल. अब प्रीतम प्यारे का जो दोस्त है बेटा, चड्डी बड्डी फ्रेंड, प्रीतम प्यारे ने बोल दिया चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे टोल्ड मीन्स टोल्ड. ही हैज टू डू दैट. ही हैज टू डू दैट. Now what Champu's Pritam Pyare friend, Champu Pritam Pyare's friend is going to do? वो भागा घर. He went home. He went home, and now what he has done is he kept this bottle inside deep freezer. He kept this bottle inside deep freezer. अब क्या होगा deep freezer में बेटा? Please observe. The content was at 20 degrees Celsius. डीप फ्रीजर में क्या होगा, 100% heat will be getting extracted, energy will be getting extracted from the content with the help of, let me say, some refrigerator, and it will be thrown to the surrounding, which is at 25 degrees Celsius. अब बेटा listen carefully, content is at 20 degree Celsius. जो कंटेंट है बॉटल का, it is at 20 degree Celsius. Surrounding temperature is 25 degree Celsius. Of course, we cannot throw the heat from lower temperature to higher temperature automatically. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस रेफ्रिजरेटर को we have to supply some heat, sorry, some work, some power input. We have to supply some power input to this refrigerator. We have to supply some work. So let me say, in order to extract 7 joule of energy in the form of heat, we have supplied 50 joule of energy in the form of work to the refrigerator. Now jham, what will happen, heat will be getting extracted, and this 150 joule of energy in the form of heat will be rejected to the surrounding, and content will again come back to 5 degrees Celsius. Now Pritam Pyare is very happy. He got the chilled content. Now listen carefully, beta. Listen carefully. I want to do some analysis. For surrounding, what is happening in surrounding. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Please listen carefully. For surrounding, what is happening for surrounding? ध्यान से सुनना. When the content was at 5 degrees Celsius, जब कंटेंट 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर था, and when the energy is supplied in the form of heat to the content, it came to 20 degrees Celsius. What was the heat interaction for surrounding? Surrounding के लिए, I am asking for the surrounding. What is the heat interaction for the surrounding? Surrounding is losing, for surrounding, you have to see for surrounding, this is surrounding beta. Surrounding is losing 100 joule of energy in the form of heat. So 100% heat interaction for the surrounding is minus 100 joule. Fine. What is the work interaction? There is no work interaction. When the content is coming from 5 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius, जब content 5 degree Celsius से 20 degree Celsius पर आ रहा है, the surrounding is losing 100 joule of energy in the form of heat. There is no work interaction. Fine. Now let us talk to another part of the story. When the Pritam Pyare's friend is putting this bottle inside the deep freezer, and the content is coming from 20 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius back. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है बेटा? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Are you able to understand? This is surrounding. This is surrounding. Can you understand? Surrounding is gaining the energy of 150 joule in the form of heat, but at the same time, surrounding is losing the 50 joule of energy in the form of work. This is work input beta. This is work input. That means if I want to say surrounding is gaining the 150 joule of energy in the form of heat, this should be plus 150 joule, and this should be minus 50 joule, because surrounding is losing the energy in the form of work. So minus 50 joule. ये बात आपको क्लियर हो रही है? अब मैं इसको लिख कर दिखाता हूं बेटा. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व. यस. Now please observe beta. Please observe. Can you understand? Here I am getting minus 100 joule. This was 0. In which case 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Now 20 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, what is happening? Surrounding is gaining the energy in the form of heat, 150 joule, but it is losing the energy in the form of work of 50 joule. That's why I am putting minus. अच्छा, अगर मैं net effect निकालूं, minus 100 joule plus 150 joule, so of course I am getting plus 50 joule of heat interaction for surrounding, and यहाँ पर मुझे क्या हो रहा है बेटा? minus 50 joule. आपको ये चीज समझ में आ रही है? What is the meaning of this? Are you able to understand बेटा? What is the meaning of this? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है in overall process, what is happening? Surrounding is losing 50 joule of energy in the form of work, and surrounding is gaining 50 joule of energy in the form of heat. नाउ यू विल से सर क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अरे सराउंडिंग से एनर्जी निकली बाहर, सराउंडिंग ने लूज करी एनर्जी 50 जूल ऑफ वर्क के फॉर्म में, एंड सराउंडिंग गेन द एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट ऑफ 50 जूल. बट देयर इज ए डिफरेंस, देयर इज ए डिफरेंस. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू द डिफरेंस बेटा. क्या डिफरेंस है? रिमेंबर बेटा, वर्क इज हाई ग्रेड एनर्जी, work interaction is high grade energy, heat interaction is low grade energy. So what is happening basically, यहां पर surrounding के लिए क्या हो रहा है? What is happening for the surrounding? Surrounding is losing 50 joule of energy in the form of work interaction, which is your high grade energy, whereas surrounding is gaining the energy in the form of heat, which is a low grade energy, which is low grade energy. अब आप बोलोगे सर इसमें लॉस कैसे हो गया? बेटा आई विल बी गिविंग यू वन सिंपल एग्जांपल. एक बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूं, एक इतना बेहतरीन एग्जांपल देता हूं, आपको सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी. देखो बेटा, माय चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे वाज फीलिंग वेरी थ्रस्टी. माय चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे वाज फीलिंग वेरी थ्रस्टी. तो उसने क्या किया? बगल में दुकान थी, पान की दुकान थी. देयर वाज वन पान शॉप. ही वेंट टू द पान शॉप. They will be keeping the mineral water bottles also ना. तो चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे went to the pan shop people and he purchased 1 liter bottle, 1 liter mineral water bottle. Fine. उन्होंने 20 रुपए मांगे, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे ने 20 रुपए दे दिए. ये 20 रुपए दिए and he got the 1 liter mineral water bottle. अब चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे के दिमाग में एक बात आई, यार मैंने इसको 1 लीटर मिनरल वाटर बॉटल ली, इससे खरीदी, एंड आई पेड 20 रुपीज. मैं एक काम करता हूं, इसको 1 लीटर वाटर वापस करता हूं एंड आई विल टेक बैक 20 रुपीज. तो चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे ने क्या किया? ही वेंट टू बीच, तो बगल में ही है, बीच तो नियर बाय है. ही वेंट टू द बीच एंड ही फिल्ड इन द सेम 1 लीटर बॉटल, ही फिल्ड सी वाटर, और वो उसको भर के दुकान वाले के पास चला गया. Look, this is 1 liter water. You have given me 1 liter water. I have given you 20 rupees. I am giving you back 1 liter water. You give me my 20 rupees. क्या दुकान वाला देगा? क्या दुकान वाला देगा? क्या दुकान वाला देगा? क्या दुकान वाला 20 रुपए वापस दे देगा 1 लीटर सी वाटर लेकर? बेटा that is the difference. That is the difference. Listen carefully. That is the difference. This is high grade water. Mineral water is high grade water. It is also 1 liter only. It is also 1 liter only. This sea water, it is low grade water. It is also 1 liter only. But आपको समझ में आ रही है किसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा है? Which one is having more value? Which one is having more value? You are aware of this. I hope each and everyone is able to understand. I hope each and everyone is able to understand. Same thing will be happening here, beta. Same, yes, same thing is happening here. Try to understand. This work interaction is high grade energy. Heat interaction is low grade energy. If you want, you can convert work interactions completely into heat interaction. No problem. अगर आपके पास 100 kilojule का work interaction है, you can convert this 100 kilojoule of work interaction completely into heat interaction in a cyclic process. But if you are having 100 kilojoule of heat interaction, you cannot completely convert this 100 kilojoule of heat interaction into work interaction in a cyclic process. किसी cyclic process में आप 100 kilojoule के heat interaction को 100 kilojoule के work interaction में convert नहीं कर सकते. You cannot convert. That is the reason why all the reversible heat engines or all the heat engines will be having the thermal efficiency of less than 100. It is impossible to have 100% thermal efficiency. Now you will be getting the some feel what is the meaning of high grade energy, what is the meaning of low grade energy. The meaning of low grade energy is if you are having 100 kilojoule of heat, and if I ask you convert this 100 kilojoule of heat into 100 kilojoule of work in a cyclic process, it is impossible. That is the reason why heat interaction is known as low grade energy. But of course, if I ask you, I am having 100 kilojoule of work, you convert this 100 kilojoule of work into 100 kilojoule of heat, you will be happily able to convert in a cyclic process because work is a high grade energy. सबको समझ में आ रही है बात? अरे चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे, वेलकम रे बाबा। यस, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली। कैन आई से ये जो भी हुआ, कैन आई से ये जो भी हुआ, इस सब में सराउंडिंग को कुछ तो लॉस हुआ बेटा? कैन आई से सराउंडिंग इज इन लॉस? कैन आई से सराउंडिंग इज इन लॉस? 100% सराउंडिंग इज इन लॉस. What is happening? Surrounding is losing 50 joule of high grade energy in the form of work, and it is gaining 50 joule of low grade energy in the form of heat. तो loss तो हुआ. So 100% this is an example of externally irreversible process. तो अब मैं डेफिनेशन पे आता हूं बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल. भी कैसे होता है वो भी बताऊंगा, फिलहाल आप ये समझो. दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्सटर्नली irreversible process. Okay, now listen carefully. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? I will be having, सुनो ध्यान से, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? I will be having internally reversible process if there is no irreversibility. The meaning of irreversibility is loss. If there is no irreversibility within the boundary of the system, I will be having externally reversible process if there is no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system. मतलब अगर surrounding में, if in surrounding we are having no irreversibility, then I will be telling I am having externally reversible process. अब आप बोलोगे सर एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस होता क्या है बेटा? मैं बताऊंगा, अभी बताऊंगा विद इन 15 मिनट्स. पहले ये बताओ यहां तक क्लियर है? आर यू क्रिस्टल क्लियर टिल हियर? बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्रिस्टल क्लियर टिल हियर? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हैं? If I am having internally reversible process, then 100% there is no irreversibility within the boundary of the system. That means there is no irreversibility within the system. If I am having externally reversible process, there is no loss. There is no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system. There is no irreversibility in the surrounding. Type in chat box रे बाबा if you are clear till here, then I will be moving forward बेटा. ये देखो बेटा, ये मैंने एक एग्जांपल बताया. यहां पे 100% there is some loss, there is some irreversibility in the surrounding. That's why I'm saying right now surrounding is having some loss, some irreversibility. The process is externally irreversible process. सर आप क्यों बोल रहे हो? सर why are you saying the process is externally irreversible process? Because in surrounding there is loss. सर वो loss कैसे हो रहा है? Loss ऐसे हो रहा है बेटा, loss ऐसे हो रहा है. 50 joule of high grade energy is converting into 50 joule of low grade energy. अरे यही तो हो रहा है. अगर आप ध्यान से दिमाग लगाओगे, what is happening here? 50 joule of high grade energy, ऐसे एरो बना देता हूं, 50 joule of high grade energy is converting into 50 joule of low grade energy. Now I will be moving forward. ठीक है? Now I will be giving you one beautiful example. बेटा बिल्कुल ध्यान से समझते हुए चलेंगे मेरे साथ. Listen carefully. Now I will be giving you the example. How are we going to have externally reversible process? बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Let us suppose I'm having some arrangement. Where I'm having some liquid and vapor at equilibrium. मेरे पास कुछ अरेंजमेंट है जहां पर लिक्विड और वेपर इक्विलिब्रियम में है. बेटा यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, दिस इज लिक्विड, दिस इज वेपर. liquid and vapor phase is in equilibrium. Let me say the temperature, saturation temperature is some 100 degrees Celsius. Now what Pritam Pyare, what Champu Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, I want to convert some of the liquid into vapor. सर मैं लिक्विड को, मैं सर कुछ लिक्विड को मैं वेपर में कन्वर्ट करना चाहता हूं, क्या करूं? वेरी सिंपल बेटा, इफ चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे वांट्स टू कन्वर्ट लिक्विड इनटू वेपर, बहुत आसान है. यू सप्लाई सम एनर्जी, यू सप्लाई सम लेटेंट हीट टू द सिस्टम लिक्विड वेपर, ऑफ कोर्स लिक्विड पार्ट विल बी कन्वर्टिंग इनटू वेपर. तो मान लो, लेट अस सपोज here some source of 200 degrees Celsius is available, and what Champu Pritam Pyare has done, he supplied some 100 joule of energy in the form of heat to this liquid vapor mixture. Of course there is no doubt, 100% क्या होने वाला है बेटा? 100% what is going to happen? Liquid will be converting into vapor. Some of the liquid will be converting into vapor. You can observe in the diagram also. देखो क्या हुआ? The moment Pritam Pyare is supplying the heat, what is happening? You can see liquid level decreased, and of course mass of vapor increased. Mass of the liquid will decrease, and of course mass of liquid will decrease, mass of vapor will increase. Of course, यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं यहां तक? Now listen carefully. बेटा, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. प्रीतम प्यारे का दिमाग खराब हो गया. He has gone mad. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे has gone mad. बोलता है थोड़ी बात, नहीं सर मजा नहीं आया सर I am not liking सर, ये मास ऑफ लिक्विड कम हो गया सर, मास ऑफ वेपर कम हो गया सर, वापस ले आओ सर. तो चंपू वापस ले आओ, ये तो वेरी इजी है. वापस लाने में कोई तीर थोड़ी ना मारना है. चंपू what he needs to do, बेटा ये देखो चंपू को क्या करना है, जो 100 जूल की एनर्जी दी थी हीट के फॉर्म में, उसे बाहर निकाल लो. अरे रिमूव दैट एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, अगेन यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस लेवल. अरे वेरी इजी ना. अरे चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज सेइंग सर, इनिशियली the mass of liquid was more, the mass of vapor was less. I have supplied some 100 joule of heat, so mass of liquid has been decreased, mass of vapor has been increased. तो आप एक काम करो, आप वापस उसी स्टेट पे ले आओ. तो ला देंगे ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगेन आई कैन ब्रिंग वेपर टू लिक्विड फेज. अरे यहां पर क्या हुआ? यहां पर आपको समझ में आ रहा है चंपू ने क्या किया? यहां पर he converted liquid into vapor phase. Now what he is saying, sir वापस ले आओ. ठीक है चंपू, वापस ले आते हैं बेटा. Now Champu wants to bring back vapor phase into liquid phase. Very easy, बहुत easy है बेटा, कुछ नहीं करना. ध्यान से देखो कैसे होगा. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे ने जो हीट सप्लाई करी थी 100 जूल की, वो बस बाहर निकाल लो कैसे भी. That's it, उतना ही करना है. लेकिन अब यहां एक पंगा है बेटा. There is a problem. Why there is a problem? I will be telling you. The temperature of the liquid vapor mixture is 100 degrees Celsius. Saturation temperature 100 degrees Celsius है. And the source, this temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. This thermal reservoir temperature 200. So automatically heat will not go. ऐसा तो ना प्रीतम प्यारे ने बोल दिया जाओ हीट जाओ, 100 जूल की हीट बाहर निकल जाओ, 100 से 200 पे हो जाओ, ट्रांसफर हो जाओ. सो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस अपने आप नहीं होगा. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन ऑटोमेटिकली. सो व्हाट प्रीतम प्यारे नीड्स टू डू बेटा, क्या करना पड़ेगा प्रीतम प्यारे को? प्रीतम प्यारे हैज टू यूज सम डिवाइस. कुछ तो एक बेहतरीन सा रेफ्रिजरेटर यूज करना पड़ेगा ना. ऑफ कोर्स ये रेफ्रिजरेटर अपने आप तो काम करेगा नहीं, because you are throwing the heat from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. So this refrigerator will be consuming some energy in the form of work. 50 kilojoule का work consume किया, and now the heat rejected to this 200 degrees Celsius will be 150 joule. Why 150 joule? Because this 100 joule of energy in the form of heat is taken out from here. 50 joule of energy in the form of work is supplied to the refrigerator, and all these 100 plus 50, all this 150 joule of heat will be rejected to this thermal energy reservoir. No problem, no problem, है ना? Yes. बात समझ में आ रही है यहां तक? सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा यहां तक? ऑफ कोर्स वापिस आ गए. द मोमेंट प्रीतम प्यारे हैज रिजेक्टेड 100 जूल ऑफ एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, वापिस वही लेवल आ गया. नाउ प्रीतम प्यारे इज वेरी हैप्पी. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन सराउंडिंग. लेट अस सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन सराउंडिंग. सराउंडिंग के लिए देख रहे हैं बेटा. वी आर ट्राइंग टू ऑब्जर्व फॉर सराउंडिंग. फॉर सराउंडिंग प्रोसेस, heat interaction, work interaction, liquid to vapor, vapor to liquid. So when I was doing the liquid to vapor, how much was the heat interaction for surrounding? Anyone in the class? Type in chat box, re baba. When I was having liquid to vapor process, liquid to vapor process में what was happening for surrounding? Surrounding में क्या हो रहा था बेटा? Surrounding was losing the energy in the form of heat. How much energy? 100 joule की energy in the form of heat is lost by the surrounding. There is no work interaction. So this will be minus 100 joule. This will be 0 joule. Now listen carefully. When we are having vapor to liquid conversion, in vapor to liquid conversion, what is happening beta? Surrounding is gaining energy in the form of heat having magnitude 150 joule. But at the same time, surrounding is losing the energy in the form of work, the having magnitude 50 joule. That means when I am talking about vapor to liquid, here I will be getting 150 joule. Heat interaction is a positive 150 joule, but work interaction is minus 50 joule. Now listen carefully. It is quite similar to the earlier observation. Here I am getting plus 100, sorry, minus na, minus 100 joule. Here I am having 0 joule. Here I am having plus 150 joule. Here I am having minus 50 joule. And if I see the net effect, minus 100 plus 150 is plus 50 joule. Here I am having minus 50 joule. But I am asking you one thing. What do you think? There is some irreversibility, there is some loss in surrounding, yes or no? Surrounding में कुछ loss हो रहा है क्या बेटा? Type in chat box. Can I say in surrounding? I want each and everyone to type in chat box. बेटा ये example मैंने पूरा similar लिया last example के. Now I will be telling you the story from here. But you tell me, are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? यहाँ तक बिल्कुल बेहतरीन तरीके से बता दीजिए क्या आप मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं? 100% there is some loss in surrounding. Sir, what is the loss? Loss is this बेटा. Loss is this. 50 joule of high grade energy converted into 50 joule of low grade energy. 50 joule of work interaction converted into 50 joule of heat interaction. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Yes. So 100% this process is what beta? There is no doubt 100% the process is externally. 100% the process is externally reversible process. बेटा मैं आपके डाउट्स भी लूंगा, डोंट वरी. आई विल बी हैविंग द डाउट सेशन आल्सो, डोंट वरी बेटा. एंड में मैं आपके डाउट्स भी लूंगा. अगर आपको कहीं पे डाउट है तो आप पूछ लेना. ये रिवर्सिबल आएगा, इरिवर्सिबल आएगा, देखो कोई बताता ही नहीं है. नो वन इज टेलिंग. इसीलिए मैं देख रहा हूं आप लोगों को, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है. irreversible. Why are you saying beta irreversible? Externally irreversible process. Why are you using the word irreversible beta? Because there is some loss in surrounding. High grade energy is getting converted into low grade energy. बेटा अगर आज की क्लास आपने समझ ली, today I am discussing the most difficult concept of thermodynamics. अगर ये आपको समझ में आ गया थर्मोडायनामिक केक वॉक है। इसके बाद एंट्रोपी भी इतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है जितना डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक ये आज मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल एंड एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल, योर एंट्रोपी एंड एक्सर्जी विल बिकम केक वॉक। आपको एंट्रोपी और एक्सर्जी वाले चैप्टर में दिक्कत इसीलिए होती है, यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन एंट्रोपी एंड एक्सर्जी चैप्टर बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव द बेसिक्स ऑफ इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस एंड एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। व्हाट हैपेंस, यू आर जस्ट मगिंग अप द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस एंड यू आर गोइंग टू द एंट्रोपी चैप्टर। ऐसा नहीं करना है। You should know when the process is internally reversible process. You should know when the process is internally irreversible process. You should know when the process is externally reversible process. You should know when the process is externally irreversible process. पूरी चीजें क्लैरिटी के साथ पता होनी चाहिए। अब एक एग्जांपल और ले रहा हूं। Now look at here. Look at here. Same thing बेटा। Suppose I'm having some liquid vapor mixture. Suppose I'm having some liquid vapor mixture and Champu Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, I want to convert liquid into vapor. मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं बेटा चंपू, you can do that, no problem बेटा, you can convert liquid into vapor, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, कर लो आप, you can do that, you can convert liquid into vapor. Now listen carefully बेटा, थोड़ा सा चेंज किया है। Now the saturation temperature of this लिक्विड वेपर मिक्सचर इज 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो चंपू ने क्या किया, लिसन केयरफुली बेटा, चंपू ने क्या किया, यहां पे आपके पास सराउंडिंग में कोई थर्मल एनर्जी रिजर्वायर था एट 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो चंपू सप्लाइड द हीट ऑफ 100 जूल एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस व्हाट विल हैपन बेटा, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑफ कोर्स लिक्विड विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वेपर। Of course, we are doing at the same saturation temperature, okay? This is just representing that we are having some sample. So same saturation temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, liquid converted into vapor. Now Champu Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, no, convert back vapor into liquid. Champu ने बोला sir, convert back vapor into liquid. मैं बोला no problem बेटा चंपू, You have supplied 100 joule of energy in the form of heat, वो आप बाहर निकाल लो, हो जाएगा आपका काम। Same amount of liquid, same amount of vapor you will be getting. तो चंपू ने क्या किया बेटा, यहां से 100 जूल की हीट बाहर फेंकने की कोशिश की। To whom? To this thermal energy reservoir having the temperature of 200 degree Celsius. अब thermal energy reservoir is saying, तेरी क्या औकात है, हाउ डेयर यू, व्हाट इज योर लेवल, यू आर एट 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस, आई एम एट 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस, हाउ डेयर यू कैन नॉट गिव द हीट टू मी डायरेक्टली। तो फिर क्या हुआ, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे ब्रॉट वन पावर कंज्यूमिंग साइक्लिक डिवाइस नोन एज रेफ्रिजरेटर। चंपू ने क्या किया बेटा, यहां पर रेफ्रिजरेटर लगा दिया, कोई पावर कंज्यूमिंग डिवाइस लगा दिया, एंड नाउ चंपू विल बी एबल टू थ्रो द हीट फ्रॉम 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस। बेटा लेकिन मैं अब आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं, आई विल बी आस्किंग यू वन ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन, लिसन केयरफुली बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन लेना, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन लेना। आई विल बी आस्किंग यू वन ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन, लिसन केयरफुली बेटा। व्हेन Champu Pritam Pyare was throwing the heat from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, for throwing the heat out of 100 degrees Celsius, 100 kilojoule of heat, 100 joule of heat, he has supplied 50 joule of work to the refrigerator. अब तो काम आसान है, पहले तो 100 से 200 भेजना था बेटा। I was supposed to throw out this 100 joule of heat to 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस रिजर्वायर। अभी क्या हो रहा है, नाउ द टेम्परेचर ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ द टेम्परेचर इज 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस। नाउ आई हैव टू थ्रो दिस 100 जूल ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम 150 to 200. So earlier if I need to give 50 joule of energy in the form of work to the refrigerator, तो अब तो थोड़ा कम देना पड़ेगा ना रे बाबा। Earlier refrigerator was throwing the heat from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. So I have given him 50 joule of work. But now he is throwing, now the refrigerator is throwing from 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. So I have to give less work input now. So let me say, now मैं assume कर रहा हूं बेटा, this is assumed data. Let us suppose I am giving 20 joule of work input. So now this will be 100 plus 20, 120 joule. And of course, what is going to happen? At the end, you will be having the same level of liquid, same level of vapor as that of initial level. बेटा ये डिटेल मैंने आपके सामने लिखी है. अब जरा मुझे आप चीजें बताना बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. When I'm having liquid to vapor change, what will come here beta? When I'm having liquid to vapor change, what will come here? Minus 100 joule. Here I will be having 0. But now there will be some change. What is the change? When I'm having vapor to liquid, when I'm having vapor to liquid, what is happening beta? Surrounding is gaining 120 joule of energy in the form of heat, and surrounding is losing 120 joule. Surrounding is losing 20 joule of energy in the form of work. मतलब क्या हो गया बेटा? Here I will be getting plus 120, here I will be getting minus 20 of course joule. तो मैं एक बार लिख कर दिखाता हूं आप लोगों को, शायद अच्छे समझ में आए बेटा. Here surrounding is losing 100 joule of energy in the form of heat, work interaction is 0 liquid to vapor वाले में. Here surrounding is gaining 120 joule of energy in the form of heat, and here surrounding is losing 20 joule of energy in the form of work. तो अगर मैं कुछ calculations करूं, here I am getting plus 20, here I am getting minus 20. 100% this is also externally irreversible process, because in surrounding I am having some loss. In surrounding I am having some loss. 20 joule of high grade energy which is work, it is converting into 20 joule of low grade energy which is work interaction. अब मैं आपसे यहां पर एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. Now I will be asking one beautiful question बेटा. Compare to earlier case where surrounding was losing, in surrounding 50 joule of high grade energy was converting into 50 joule of low grade energy. अभी आपको लग रहा है irreversibility थोड़ी कम हुई? Can I say बेटा irreversibility is little decreased now? मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, I'm not saying now there is no irreversibility. No, listen carefully. I'm not saying there is no irreversibility. There is irreversibility in surrounding. There is some loss in surrounding. क्या वो loss थोड़ा सा कम हो गया बेटा? क्या वो loss थोड़ा सा कम हो गया? Yes, Chintan, very good beta. Can I say that loss is little less now? Yes, of course, there is no doubt. Still I am having externally irreversible process. Only surrounding में कुछ loss हो रहा है बेटा. 100% there is some loss in surrounding. I'm not denying that. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूं. But what I'm saying, now the loss in surrounding is little less. Very good beta. Excellent. बेहतरीन तरीके से करेंगे बेटा. आपकी पूरी थर्मोडायनामिक्स मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, यहीं पर पूरा फ्री में करवाऊंगा बेटा. यू नीड नॉट टू वरी. अभी भी प्रोसेस जो है एक्सटर्नली इररिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस है, देयर इज नो डाउट. स्टिल द प्रोसेस इज एक्सटर्नली इररिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, बट लिटिल लेस. चलो अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. आई एम टेकिंग अनदर एग्जांपल. नाउ लेट अस सपोज, बेटा आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे, अब आपको चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं. लेट अस सपोज आई एम हैविंग liquid vapor mixture which is present at 195 degrees Celsius. This is liquid, this is vapor, and let us suppose this is some thermal energy reservoir at 200 degrees Celsius. Champu Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, I want to convert liquid into vapor. No problem, beta. You can convert liquid into vapor. Champu Pritam Pyare, yes, you can convert. Just one thing you do, from this reservoir, you supply the energy in the form of heat. Let us suppose Champu Pritam Pyare is supplying 100 joule of energy in the form of heat. Of course, what is going to happen? No doubt, liquid will convert into vapor. Liquid level is decreasing, vapor level is increasing. But of course, when the phase change is taking place, temperature will remain same. Let us suppose it is 195 degrees Celsius only. Now Champu Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, I want to convert vapor into liquid. Sir, I want to convert vapor into liquid back. No problem, beta. No problem, Champu. No problem, beta. Whatever the 100 joule of heat you have supplied, you take it out. You take that energy out in the form of it. Now क्या बोलेगा? ये रिजर्वायर बोलेगा I am at 200 degrees Celsius. You are at 195 degrees Celsius. How dare you? नहीं कर सकते. Then what Champu Pritam Pyare is going to do? He will be putting one refrigerator in between. But I am asking you one thing. In the last case, when the temperature was 150 degrees Celsius, I was throwing this 100 joule of heat from 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and refrigerator was taking 2 joule of work input. This is assumed number. तो अब तो कम लेगी ना. Now Champu Pritam Pyare bargain करेगा ना बेटा. Champu Pritam Pyare will bargain. He will say, अच्छा, earlier you were throwing from 150 to 200. So I have given you 20 joule work input. अब तो केवल 195 से 200 फेंकना है. Now you have to throw only from 195 to 200 degrees Celsius. So कम लो. Champu Pritam Pyare ने बेटा 2 joule में ही निपटा दिया. 2 joule. Any intelligent student of the class, if Champu Pritam Pyare is supplying 2 joule of energy in the form of work input to the refrigerator, what will be this value बेटा? ये जो हीट रिजेक्ट हो रहा होगा इस रिजर्वायर को जो कि 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे है, व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट? इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी बेटा? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? फटाफट से बता दीजिए. व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ हीट? फटाफट से बता दीजिए. यस, excellent. Excellent. 100%. Very good, beta. Very good. I'm very happy. Yes, you are absolutely correct, beta. 102 joule. And of course, vapor will be converting back into liquid. ये liquid हो गया, ये vapor हो गया. चलो एक बार टेबल पे देखना बेटा, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. This is minus 100 joule. This is 0 joule. This is plus 102 joule. Work interaction is minus 2 joule. अगर मैं net effect देखूं, this is plus 2 joule. This is minus 2 joule. 100%. This is also 100%. This is also externally irreversible process. इसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. कुछ तो लॉस हो रहा है ना बेटा. There is some loss. There is some loss in surrounding. There is some loss in surrounding. 2 joule of high grade energy is converting into 2 joule of low grade energy. 2 joule of work interaction is converting into 2 joule of heat interaction. There is some loss. But क्या मैं बोलूं, ये loss तो बहुत कम हो गया. If I compare the first case, I was having 50 joule of conversion of work interaction into heat interaction. In second case, 20 joule of work interaction was converting into heat interaction in the surrounding. अब तो केवल 2 joule of work interaction is converting into heat interaction. I hope everyone is able to understand. This is also, but can I say irreversibility is very less now? Can I say irreversibility is very less now? सिर्फ 2 का ही तो है. अरे सिर्फ 2 का ही तो है. But yes, you are correct. This is also an example of externally irreversible process. बेटा आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप कर रहा हूं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है बेटा, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. नेक्स्ट केस, but I am having liquid vapor mixture and now let us suppose T saturation is 199.99 degree Celsius. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे converts liquid into vapor. वो liquid को vapor में convert करना चाहता है. ठीक है चंपू, you can do बेटा. Champu can do what he is doing. He is having some thermal energy reservoir at 200 degrees Celsius. He is supplying some 100 joule of energy in the form of heat. No problem. Yes, of course, clearly liquid will be converting into vapor. Liquid level will decrease, vapor level will increase. Now चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे को दया आ गई, लिक्विड पे बोलता है नहीं लिक्विड डोंट वरी, मैं वेपर को दोबारा लाता हूं लिक्विड में, डोंट वरी, आपका लेवल कम हो गया, फिर से इंक्रीज करता हूं. Now listen carefully. Champu Pritam Pyare wants to convert vapor back into liquid. So he has to, ये देखो बेटा T saturation तो उतना ही रहेगा. T saturation is 199.99 degrees Celsius. So what Champu Pritam Pyare is trying to do, he will try to take out this 100 joule of energy in the form of heat to convert back वेपर इंटू लिक्विड. अब ये बोलेगा अरे तेरी औकात क्या है, यू आर एट 199.99, आई एम एट 200, डोंट डेयर टू सेंड द एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट डायरेक्टली. तो चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे बोलेगा रेफ्रिजरेटर लगा दो. नाउ एनी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे विल बार्गेन लाइक एनीथिंग. ही विल से अरे भैया इतना सही तो टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस. रेफ्रिजरेटर को बोलेगा रेफ्रिजरेटर देयर इज ओनली लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिफरेंस ना, रेफ्रिजरेटर देयर इज ओनली लिटिल बिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस ना. ही इज एट 200, यू आर एट दिस लिक्विड प्लस वेपर मिक्सचर इज एट 199.99. इतना सही तो डिफरेंस है, थोड़ा कम में मान जाना. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज सो कंजूस, he will give only 0.0001 joule of energy in the form of work. So I hope you are able to understand. This will be 100.0001 joule. बेटा ध्यान से समझते रहना. He will be getting the same level of liquid, same amount of vapor. अब यहां पर देखना बेटा. Now look at here. If I do the balance here, minus 100. Here I will be having 0 joule. What I'm going to have here, ध्यान से देखना, 100.0001 पॉजिटिव में, 100.0001 जूल, एंड दिस इज हाउ मच बेटा, माइनस 0.0001 जूल. Oh my God! If I observe carefully, 0.001 joule of work interaction is converting into 0.001 joule of heat interaction. अरे यार ये तो बहुत ही नेग्लिजिबल है ना. कैन आई से दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो? अरे दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो, दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो. ओ माई गॉड, इफ दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो, कैन आई से ओ माई गॉड, ओ माई गॉड, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब कैन आई से दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग एब्सोल्युटली, बट दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? आर यू गेटिंग दिस? दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यस 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 यस. Now can I call the irreversibility is very small, almost zero, almost zero. अरे इतनी सी रिवर्सिबिलिटी है रे बाबा. 0.0001 joule of work interaction is converting into 0.0001 joule of heat interaction. अरे नेग्लिजिबल है रे बाबा, नेग्लेक्ट कर दो रे बाबा, इतना माफ कर दो रे बाबा. 100% externally reversible process. Are you clear till here? टाइप करो रे बाबा चैट बॉक्स में, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे. इफ यू आर क्लियर टिल हियर एक बार हार्ट का सिंबल बना दो रे बाबा. पूरा थर्मो पढ़ाऊंगा बेटा. अगर आपको ये चीज समझ में आ गई, इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, टुडेज क्लास कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, बेटा आपको आधी थर्मो क्लियर हो गई. एंट्रोपी एक्सर्जी केक वॉक है इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट. और ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट है बेटा. In entire thermodynamics, this is the most difficult concept where students are not able to understand what is the meaning of externally reversible process, what is the meaning of externally irreversible process. Beta, there is no doubt. I can assume the process is externally reversible process. 100%. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. ये हुई ना बात. इसको बढ़ गया रे बाबा. Yes. Yes. चलो बेटा, I will be reading the conclusions for you people. मैं conclusions एक एक करके सारे बताने वाला हूं, लेकिन पहले एक ज्ञान गंगा की बात हो जाए. बेटा दिस इज ज्ञान गंगा. समझ में आ रही है आपको बात? अभी मैं डिस्कस करता हूं, पहले ये सुन लो. दिस इज ज्ञान गंगा बेटा. ज्ञान गंगा क्या है? tinyurl.com/negiton code. इस ज्ञान गंगा का मजा कैसे लेंगे बेटा? जस्ट टाइप दिस tinyurl.com/negiton code इन योर एड्रेस बार. जैसे ही आप एड्रेस बार पे डालेंगे, आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा, जो आपके सामने खुलकर आएगा आपको मजा आ जाएगा बेटा. समथिंग लाइक दिस विल ओपन. समथिंग लाइक दिस विल ओपन बेटा. एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, हीट ट्रांसफर, प्रीवियस गेट एक्सी पेपर्स, मैकेनिकल पेपर्स, स्पेशल सेशंस, थर्मोडायनामिक्स. एक और चीज बता दूं बेटा, कभी भी आपको सिस्टमेटिक तरीके से कोई भी देखनी हो फाइल, whatever the classes I have taken till now for thermodynamics, whatever the notes I have given till now for thermodynamics in last week, everything is already updated here. ये जो फाइल है यहां पर आपको सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी बेटा. Whatever the free classes of fluid mechanics I have taken till now, everything is arranged in a systematic way. For example, let's suppose I am clicking on fluid mechanics. Something like this will open beta. In first column you will be having the name of the chapter. In second column you will be having the name, numbering of the lecture, whatever the topic is covered in a particular lecture. Here you will be having the link of video class. Here you will be having the link of the class notes. ठीक है, चलो अब सुन लो conclusion बेटा. Now listen the conclusion one by one. Now listen the conclusion one by one. First conclusion: externally reversible process is the process where the irreversibility, where we are not having any irreversibility, where we have no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system. A process is said to be externally reversible process if there is no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. When Champu was supplying the heat from 100 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, of course it was externally irreversible process. 150 to 200 externally irreversible process. 195 to 200 externally irreversible process. That means whenever we are having finite temperature difference, कुछ temperature difference है, whenever we are having some finite temperature difference, when the heat is getting transferred from 200 to 100, 200 to 150, 200 to 195, whenever there is some heat transfer through finite temperature difference, process will be externally irreversible process. 200 to 100, 200 to 150, 200 to 195. But when the temperature difference is very small, 200 to 199.99 degrees Celsius. 200 degrees Celsius to 199.99 degrees Celsius. The process is almost externally reversible process. That means heat transfer through finite temperature difference is an externally irreversible process. Heat transfer through negligible temperature difference is an externally reversible process. और ध्यान रखना बेटा, ये फेज चेंज होता है ना, इन जनरल मैं अपने इनिशियल स्टेट पे आ रहा हूं ना बेटा, liquid was converting into vapor, then I'm converting back vapor into liquid, so I'm regaining my initial state. So in general, for calculation purpose, you will be assuming the phase change is an internally reversible process because I'm gaining back my initial state with the same path. अगर मैंने 100 जूल की हीट सप्लाई करी तो जैसे जैसे लिक्विड वेपर में कन्वर्ट किया हुआ, if I extract the 100 joule of heat, the vapor will be converting in exactly reverse part to the liquid. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा सब लोग? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हैं? नो राघव, मैंने, अरे यार, what is the difference between 0 and 0.0001? negligible. मैंने कहा ना almost, but I'm using the word almost ना, I'm using the word almost. बेटा यहां तक किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए. If anyone is having any doubt till here, feel free to ask बेटा. I hope you understood till now. I will be taking your doubts also बेटा, मैं आपके doubts भी लेने वाला हूं. Wait till the end, I will be taking your doubts. Tomorrow again we are going to meet at the same time. Now don't forget to hit the like button re baba, subscribe, share and comment. Those who are coming later on and watching the recording, जो लोग बाद में आ रहे हैं और recording देख रहे हैं, please beta put your comments. Let us have one connection. Let us I should know who is my Negi soldiers, who are the Negi soldiers watching this video. So kindly put your comments beta. These are the free initiative which I have taken on Unacademy, free special classes beta. You can observe. Most expected question series is going on, XCB PYQ series is going on, XCE PYQ series is going on. Now beta, this is one important thing. अच्छा एक और चीज, tomorrow you are not having any class because I will be busy with the Unacademy Combat for Gate. वहां पे मैं थोड़ा busy रहने वाला हूं, आप लोगों के साथ रहने वाला हूं मैं live. So those who are the Negi soldiers haven't enrolled till now, जिन नेगी सोल्जर्स ने अभी तक एनरोल नहीं किया है Unacademy Combat for Gate के लिए, बेटा एनरोल कर लो. I am telling you, it is the India's largest fortnightly competition for GATE where the challenging questions has been framed by the top educators, and I am telling you it is going to be live and you will be competing with the best of the country and 100% detailed value solution will be available by the top educators. कब है? Tomorrow, December 16, 6 PM. अगर आपने अभी तक एनरोल नहीं किया, रजिस्टर नहीं किया, रजिस्टर कर लो. डाउनलोड Unacademy Learning app, install it, go to the test section and enroll for this. Already I have given you the link. Already I have given you the link in Negi 10 Telegram channel. वहां पर भी आप थोड़ा ऊपर जाएंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा. बेटा don't miss it. It is completely free. It is absolutely free. You need not to pay anything. आपको कुछ भी पे नहीं करना है. And of course, if you are performing well, I don't know. My Negi soldier is in first year, second year, third year, fourth year, final year, passed out, whatever is the case, but you are going to enjoy this Unacademy Combat tomorrow at 6 PM. That's why I'm not taking the class. That's why I'm not taking the class, because I want you to be present over there with me. I will be observing my each and every Negi soldiers live. Now, Apple MacBook Air, if you are on the top one, if you are having the rank 1, you will be getting Apple MacBook Air. If you are getting rank 2, Apple iPad Mini, rank 3, Apple AirPods, rank 4 to rank 100, rupees 100 Amazon gift voucher. क्या करना है? जिन्होंने अभी तक Unacademy Learning App इंस्टॉल नहीं किया, इंस्टॉल Unacademy Learning App. Type this link in your address bar, or link I have given in the Negi 10 Telegram channel also. Use invite code Negi 10. ये जरूरी है बेटा, मैंडेटरी है फॉर ऑल द नेगी सोल्जर्स. देयर इज ओनली वन इनवाइट कोड. बाद में मुझे मत बोलना बेटा, बाद में मुझे मत बोलना. आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग फॉर ऑल नेगी सोल्जर्स. दिस इज द इनवाइट कोड Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. ओके, Now, what are the benefits of installing the Unacademy Learning app? You will be able to unlock all the free plans. Sir, what is the meaning of free plans? Like you will be able to unlock free special classes, free quizzes, Unacademy Combat for GATE, free test series, and second most important thing, beta, you will be able to send me the message. If you are having any query, अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, कोई भी डाउट है रिलेटेड टू योर प्रिपरेशन, सर व्हाट आर द स्टैंडर्ड रेफरेंस वी नीड टू फॉलो, सर मुझे एक्सी का सिलेबस चाहिए, सर आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द सब्जेक्ट्स आई नीड टू चूज फॉर एक्सी, सर हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर मैकेनिकल, सर व्हाट आर द सब्जेक्ट्स विद विच आई शुड start my competitive exam preparation, sir I am preparing for 2022, how to proceed, beta your each and every query I will be resolving within 24 hours. आप बस Unacademy Learning app में जाओ and just send me the message. We are just one message away. अगर आपको कोई contact details भी चाहिए, whatever you want, I will be doing it for you, but you have to come through Unacademy Learning app only. That's it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, so this is the Unacademy Learning app is basically the connecting link between Negi sir and Negi soldiers. Okay. Now, but or one more thing. Let us suppose if someone is purchasing the Unacademy Plus, of course we are getting the notification. हम लोग को notification मिलता है कि इस बच्चे ने join कर लिया. इसके साथ साथ you can inform me on Unacademy Learning app. Sir, I have joined Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10. Now you are responsible for me. I am your responsibility. ऐसा करके आप मुझे मैसेज कर देंगे. I will be adding you in all the doubt solving groups and I will be taking care of you personally. Now beta, this is the target batch which is going on for 2022. If you want to join, immediately you can join beta. New batches are starting. नए batches start हो रहे हैं for GATE 2022. And very soon me and my team will be bringing the beautiful courses, beautiful batches for you people. But this is my team. This is my team to whom I'm leading, and a beautiful team where you have seen most of the educators you are aware of, right? You know Prakhar sir, Aprup sir, Sandeep sir, Pallav sir, Alok sir, Viswajit sir, Manish sir. All these are the beautiful, extraordinary teachers, beta. So this is my team. Very soon we are going to bring the beautiful courses for you people. You need not to worry, beta. Remember one thing, if you want to connect to me and my team, you should use the referral code Negi10 as invite code and during the joining of the course. If you are upgrading your free plan to the plus or maybe iconic, you must make sure kuch bhi karo, left karo, right karo, minus karo, plus karo, I don't care, but one thing, it should be Negi10 only. Then you will be my responsibility. Now beta, the moment you are coming on Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10, the moment you are coming on Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10, what is going to happen beta? You will be able to watch live classes. In case you are missing the live classes, you will be able to watch recorded classes. You will be getting the daily practice problems, you will be getting the practice sheets, you will be getting the doubt clearing sessions, you will be getting the doubt solving groups, you will be getting the weekly quizzes, you will be getting the video solutions of the weekly quizzes, you will be getting the rank improvement batches, you will be getting the crash course, and most importantly, those who are my students from the southern part of the country, you will be getting the batches in English also. आपको English में भी batches मिलने वाले हैं. Now, the Negi soldiers who are financially well settled and can invest little more on their future, then I'm recommending you join Unacademy Iconic using the referral code Negi10. Negi10 referral code use करके आप Unacademy Iconic join कर लीजिए, because whatever the features are there on Unacademy Plus, you will be getting on Unacademy Iconic. Along with that, you will be getting few extra benefits. You will be getting the personal coach PC. This personal coach will be helping you in each and every stage of your competitive exam preparation right from the beginning. This personal coach will be telling you what are the books you need to follow, how to start your preparation strategy, your study planner. Yes, of course, your study planner will be the responsibility of personal coach. This personal coach is going to guide you till the end, till the interview hall. I'm telling you. Now, this personal coach is going to analyze your weekly quizzes, and this personal coach will be giving you the corrective measures so that you can improve the performance in quizzes. You will be getting the study booster sessions from Unacademy so that you can enhance your skills of writing the exam. You can enhance your efficiency of learning, and of course, need not to say, you will be getting the preparatory study material also. You will be getting the theory books and you will be getting the problem books also. Now, how much is the fee structure for Unacademy Plus? Let us suppose Negi soldiers are using their own code. Yes, Negi soldiers are having their own code. Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Negi 10 is the code of Negi soldiers. The moment Negi soldiers are applying their own code, their subscription fee will be reduced. For 12 months, it will be reduced to 27,225 rupees. For 18 months, it will be reduced to 34,650 rupees. For 24 months, it will be reduced to 39,600 rupees. Beta, this is the fee structure of Unacademy Iconic, you can see. And I'm telling you one more thing, beta. You have to make sure while joining for Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic, you have to make sure this Negi 10 is there. I don't care. आपको जो करना है करो. Hit the button, plus करो, minus करो, add करो, subtract करो, but you have to make sure Negi 10 is there. Okay, it is your responsibility, and you can pay in monthly installments also, beta. If you are having the credit card of any bank, if you are having the debit card of HDFC Bank, or if you are having Bajaj FinServ card, you can pay in EMIs, and the fee will be as low as 1650 rupees per month. Very negligible amount, beta. Now, why to use Negi 10? Because Negi 10 is not just the code. Negi 10 is not just the code, it's an emotion which is connecting me to you people. Negi sir to Negi soldier, Negi sir's team to Negi soldier, Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. Are you getting to Bolo Re Baba, Bolo Re Baba? And you should be proud of using the referral code Negi 10, because you will be using the referral code of the top educator on Unacademy Plus. You will be using the referral code of head, mechanical head Unacademy brands. You will be using the referral code of All India Rank 1. GATE 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper. You will be using the referral code of All India Rank 1 Banknote Paper Mill. You will be using the referral code of Topper MTech IIT Bombay. You will be using the referral code of Experienced Educator who is teaching for GATE and EC since 8+ years. You will be using the referral code of Experienced Mentor who has mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. So, aa jao re baba, if you have the big dreams, I'm telling you, if you are ready to work hard, I'm telling you, you are going to enjoy your journey on Unacademy Plus. I will be mentoring you personally. I will be guiding you personally. Use karo Negi 10 and welcome to Negistan. Aaj jao re baba, aaj jao re baba, aaj jao re baba. Remember beta, mechanical plus XE matlab Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Thank you so much. Thank you so much beta. किसी का कोई doubt है तो पूछ लीजिए. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. किसी का कोई भी डाउट है तो बेटा पूछ लीजिए. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. I will be answering your questions, beta. If anyone is having any doubt, any Negi soldier is having any doubt, feel free to ask. नहीं होगा बेटा, नहीं होगा. In quasi-static process, pressure will be uniform, not constant. Yes, वही मैंने बोला है. Quasi-static process में pressure uniform होता है. Intensive properties are uniform, not constant. It will change with the time, but at a given instant of time, it will be same everywhere, beta. Yes. Yes. But almost, Prasad, almost internally reversible and almost externally reversible process you can have. Okay? बेटा प्रैक्टिस करो. केयूर कुमार, you need to do the practice बेटा. आप प्रैक्टिस करो. जितनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे, I hope you are attending all my sessions बेटा. You know ना, in 1 hour we are solving number of problems. तो उन सब सेशंस को, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग सेशंस को अटेंड करो. जितनी भी मैं ले रहा हूं, अपनी तरफ से भी प्रैक्टिस करो. टाइम बाउंड मैनर में प्रैक्टिस करो. लेट अस सपोज you are having some 10 questions, you allot some particular time, and in time bound manner you start solving the problems. Then only you will be able to increase your speed of problem solving. Better Ravi Teja, only one thing, if the temperature difference is minute, you can assume the process is externally reversible process. If the temperature difference between the source and sink is large, or between two bodies is large, if you are having the finite temperature difference, you will be calling it externally irreversible process. One by one you are removing, beta Himadri, you are removing one by one. Okay beta. One by one you are removing so that the piston will be moving upward very slowly, and if the piston is moving very slowly, gas will be expanding very slowly. The process will be quasi-static process, because at each and every intermediate state I will be having the equilibrium state. Yes, I will send beta. In free time I will send. Yes, I will send beta. In free time I will send. संजल भेज दूंगा मैं. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. रवि बोलिए बेटा, आज का लेक्चर कैसा लगा आप लोगों को? आई होप यू एंजॉयड टुडेज लेक्चर. आई होप यू एंजॉयड टुडेज लेक्चर. Very good. I'm seeing your convection course on Gyan Ganga. I have finished entropy and radiation. I want to start fluid mechanics, but there are so many lectures of it. Any guidance for me? Beta Chirag, I have discussed fluid mechanics in entire detail. तो उसमें मैं क्या करूंगा? Because this is the last moment, maybe you will not able to have 170 lectures, right? So what I'm going to do is I will be giving you some important topics. Very soon I will be taking the class on most important topics for GATE 2021. As far as fluid mechanics is concerned, you can choose those topics. Okay, very good, very good, very good. सर थर्मोडायनामिक की बुक कब लिख रहे हो आप? वेरी सून बेटा. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग टाइम. आप लोगों के साथ पूरा बिजी चल रहा हूं. राइट नाउ आई एम कंप्लीटली बिजी विद यू पीपल. यू नो एवरी डे आई एम हैविंग 5 to 6 hours क्लास. तो अभी आप लोगों के साथ पूरा बिजी शेड्यूल चल रहा है. इनफैक्ट देयर आर प्लस स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो. आप लोग हो, आप लोग के लिए स्पेशल क्लासेस लेकर आ रहा हूं, यूट्यूब पर क्लासेस लेकर आ रहा हूं. बट वेरी सून इट विल कम बेटा. आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. I hope you are enjoying the classes thoroughly. I hope you are enjoying the classes thoroughly. बेटा कल कोई क्लास नहीं है, because I will be there on Unacademy Combat. आपको कल मेरे साथ लाइव रहना है, इसलिए मैं कल क्लास नहीं ले रहा हूं. On Wednesday, नहीं Thursday ना, today is Wednesday, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. Thursday को हम लोग फिर से लाइव आएंगे, है ना? And tomorrow use invite code NEGI10 and write and attend the quiz of combat. Doesn't matter whether you are in first year, second year, preparation है या नहीं है, फाइनल ईयर में हो, किसी में भी हो बेटा, एक बार वो क्वेश्चंस देख लेना. क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. प्लीज ट्राई टू हैव दोज क्वेश्चंस, ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दोज क्वेश्चंस. सर एनपीटीएल के बारे में आपका पर्सनल व्यूज क्या? बेहतरीन है बेटा, उससे बढ़िया तो कोई चीज ही नहीं है. एनपीटीएल में जो दिया है, और अगर आप उसे एब्जॉर्ब कर पा रहे हो, इट इज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. इट इज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. उसके बारे में तो व्यूज करने की मेरी औकात नहीं है, कुछ भी बोलने की. वो तो ज्ञान गंगा की भी ज्ञान गंगा है. यस, कॉम्बैट. आई वांट टू सी एवरीवन ऑन कॉम्बैट टुमारो. चलो देन, ठीक है. किसी का कोई और डाउट नहीं है बेटा? प्लीज कम लाइव. प्लीज कीप गिविंग योर लव एंड अफेक्शन. प्लीज कीप शेयरिंग दिस सेशंस. ओके, विल मीट वेरी सून फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेशन. चलो बेटा, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. लव यू ऑल. टेक केयर. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा.